People are making bank dropshipping sunglasses. It's just amazing. You wouldn't believe it, but they're making millions of dollars. Okay. So in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers that you want to use right now. So here is a review I really want you to pay attention to. Number 8, we have here, My Online Fashion Store. Our score, 8/10. So My Online Fashion Store is a supplier that's based in the US. So they have a dropshipping program and even a Shopify app, which makes dropshipping with My Online Fashion Store, when you really think about it, a lot easier compared to other suppliers that don't offer this, right? So by becoming a member of My Online Fashion Store, you'll get access to their catalog of sunglasses, all of which are shipped from their warehouse in Los Angeles. So if you're not in LA, not a problem. They will ship it to you within 2 days. That's fine. So what we love about My Online Fashion Store is that you can easily connect your Shopify store because they have an app. Okay, you can sell on different e-commerce platforms. If you're not on Shopify, you can sell on eBay, you can sell on Amazon, you can sell on Etsy. Okay, and they have fast shipping and free returns. This is kind of cool because all packages to the US are delivered in 5 to 7 business days. Okay, and furthermore, My Online Fashion Store even offers free returns within 30 days of delivery. So this is kind of cool. And so the cons, they are only for US dropshippers, and they are more focused on fashion. And so, by the way, welcome back to the show. I really appreciate having you here. And in today's conversation, I'm just talking to you about the top 8 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers. Number 7, we have here Spockets, our score, 8.2/10. So Spocket is a platform that works with many dropshipping suppliers and collect their products into a single product catalog, okay, like Syncki or Doba or AppSanic, okay? So most dropshipping suppliers on Spocket are located in the United States or Europe. So when choosing those suppliers, you may benefit from several advantages, such as faster shipping times, and you can most importantly, you can dropship sunglasses. Okay. So what about the pros and cons here? Pros: you have US and EU suppliers. You have a free trial that Spocket has for 14 days, fantastic 14 days, and you have branded invoicing. What about the cons? You have a low number of sunglasses on sale, but no free plan. Okay. Now, the low number of sunglasses on sale, this can increase, not a problem. I mean, this is just a temporary thing in our view, but that's what we believe. Number 6, we have Pinktown, USA. Our score, 8.5/10. So when you think about Pinktown, USA, I want you to think about a wholesale and dropshipping supplier specializing in the jewelry and accessories niche. Okay, it's a woman-owned and operated business that started about 10 years ago, and they were based in the US. Okay, and so they offer jewelry items, but more importantly, they have a very nice collection of more than 100 to 200 glasses. Okay, sunglasses rather. So what are the pros and cons of this player here? So when you think about Pinktown, USA, you want to think about a player that's great for sourcing more unique sunglasses. And you have a same-day shipping. You have a great return policy. You have automated order fulfillment. That's just fantastic. What about cons? Now, this player is not for everyone because you must like the style of sunglasses that Pinktown, USA offers, okay? And they have a relatively low number of sunglasses models that's available. So, the supply is not really there yet. I mean, they are kicking ass. They are really beefing their suppliers every single day. So, but right now they could do better. By the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about the top 8 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers. And at number 5, we have here AppSanic. Our score, 8.8/10. So when you think about AppSanic, I want you to think about a player that's constantly changing its games. They're constantly kicking ass. They're constantly revamping their strategy. They're innovating all the time, okay? And their goal is to be the complete dropshipping toolkit with product syncing, auto ordering, shipment tracking, and smart payments, like some kind of auto DS, like a new kid on the block that's trying to resemble auto DS, okay? So they work with verified dropshipping suppliers from the top dropshipping countries, including the US, EU, UK, Canada, and Australia, okay? And one thing I want to say here is that, what we love about AppSanic is that they have a ton of worldwide dropshipping suppliers. They do offer price syncing. They have auto ordering. Fantastic. In terms of cons, the return policy differs based on your supplier. and they have fewer integrations. They need to work on the integrations. I mean, they have not been working on that, so they have to really work on that. So AppSenic, if you're listening to us right now, you want to work on those integrations, okay? Because you want to be you right now you can be connected to Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix stores, but you got to do more. Like, what about BigCommerce? What about Big Cartel? What about Jimdo? Talk to me about that. What about Equid? So you want to beef up your plugin pool. Number 4, we have here CJ Dropshipping. Our score 9/10. So CJ Dropshipping is really an all-in-one dropshipping solution that will help you source products, including sunglasses, from dropshipping suppliers and ship them all over the world. Okay, and the remarkable thing about CJ Dropshipping is that you will find suppliers with warehouses located all over the world, including Japan, Canada, the US, and more. So in terms of pros and cons here, the pros: you are able to request free sourcing requests. Yeah, to place free sourcing requests. You have many shipping options. You have a lot of warehouse locations. You have great reviews on the Shopify app store. What about the cons here? User friendliness is something they need to work on. Okay, they have a high shipping cost, and their returns are accepted within 10 days, but it may not be worthwhile because 10 days. Think about it. 10 days. Come on, CJ Dropshipping. By the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about the top 8 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers. Okay, so number 3, let me talk to you about Big Buy. Big Buy, our score 9.3. Big score for Big Buy. So if you want to target the Spanish or European market, Big Buy may be the supplier for you because they are a Spanish dropshipping and wholesale supplier. And so they kind of do a lot of stuff though. They're like, in our view, a jack of all trades. Okay. And because besides offering dropshipping supplier services, they also are involved with wholesale, turnkey shops, multi-channel platform integrations, and more. Okay. In Big Buy's product catalog, you will find over 160 to 170,000 items in various niches. And so when filtering on sunglasses, you will see almost 1,000 to 2,000 models. Okay. So the pros and cons here. Big Buy, in our view, is great for sunglasses stores in Europe, okay, because they can deliver across the whole of Europe and they actually provide a product catalog translated into 24 European languages. You have personalization. They have a reserves stock for free. What about the cons here? Well, now returns are not accepted, and the delivery times could be prone to delays. So you have to be really comfortable with that. And Big Buy can be expensive. So, you got to really think about that in terms of the pros and cons and see if it's really worth it for you. Let me talk to you about number 2. Number 2, we have a Brands Gateway. Our score, 9.6/10. So the thing here is that if you want to actually dropship luxury sunglasses, then you want to think about Brands Gateway. This is one of the most trusted suppliers in that niche. Okay, so Brands Gateway is based in Estonia, but they have warehouses and offices all over the globe. Okay, and so they actually specialize in luxury brands like Gucci, Swarovski, and Michael Kors. Therefore, it's also a high-ticket dropshipping supplier. Okay, and if you actually dig into their product catalog, you will find about more than 500 heavily discounted sunglasses from a lot of luxury brands. Okay, what we love about Brands Gateway is that they have fast delivery times, they have high quality imagery, they have automated order placement, and they have a return policy that's very lenient. We love that a lot. 14 days, fantastic. What about the cons? Well, they're not really suited for those with a low budget. We're talking here about luxury, boss. Okay, so if you have low budget, maybe you want to really wait until you get a high budget, so to speak. Number 1, the best of the best. When it comes to the top 8 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers that you might want to consider, we have here Sinki. Our score, 9.8/10. So when you think about Sinki, you are looking at a fantastic choice if you're looking for sunglasses like an all-in-one sunglasses supplier. Okay, so when you think about Sync is really more than just the sunglasses dropshipping supplier. They actually are a B2B platform that connects dropshippers with suppliers. So whether you're looking for a product in the pet niche or seeking that perfect pair of sunglasses, you can probably find it in Zinke's marketplace. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So Zinke has about 200 to 250,000 models of sunglasses. Okay, you have. So what are the pros and cons of this player? The pros: you can chat with suppliers. This is kind of cool because they actually have a built-in communication tool that allows you to ask suppliers questions about their sunglasses and specific policies, things about like shipping, returns, refunds, that kind of stuff. You can find suppliers based on location. You also have the auto order feature that allows you to actually place orders automatically, but you need to actually integrate this with Sync though. I mean, there's a Sync's a Shopify app. You need to integrate that with your store. What about the cons here? Now, the return policy differs based on your supplier, okay? And the pricing also can be a little different. So if you want to publish more than 25 products on your store, Sync will cost at least $49 per month if you pay monthly. So, there is a price element there they need to be you need to be aware of. So here you have it, the top 8 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers. Let me quickly have an overview here so we have a clear idea of what we are speaking about. So it's really important to know a few things before you dropship sunglasses. I mean, sunglasses are like other products. Yes, that's true. That's one way of looking at them. Like you can see, well, it's just another product category, so I don't have to worry too much about that, like having a strong strategy. But it really depends. It depends because we're talking about stuff you can put, like we're talking about stuff that buyers can put on their eyes. And when we talk about eyes, we're speaking about your body. And so this has a serious health consequences. Okay. So low quality sunglasses can damage your eyes. So first of all, you gotta be really careful not drop shipping cheap or low quality sunglasses. Okay. And it's really important to understand that there might be some cases where authorities will get involved. Like if you ship a lot of low quality sunglasses and people are just hurt, or people are sort of sick, they get sick after you shipping stuff to them, you might get in trouble. Okay, so we're not speaking here about just you buying and selling sneakers or whatever. No, sunglasses are they actually are something you wear on the body, and you may have a high return rate because it's a problem similar to selling clothing. Customers will not be able to try on the sunglasses before they purchase them. So when the sunglasses arrive, your customers may be disappointed with their fit or how they look in real life. So this is something you need to think about. Now, to combat this detriment, it's crucial to have good product photos. Make sure your customers have a clear idea of what they're buying. Okay, so this is kind of important. And so once you have that, it should be good to go. Okay, but it's really important to think. So those are the two things that really, really are important when it comes to dropshipping sunglasses. Now, how do you actually pick the right dropshipping supplier in the sunglasses niche? Because, I mean, as when we talk about dropshipping in general, you have a lot of competition. That's true. There's nothing you can do about it. You just have to fight it, and that's what it is. But one thing I want to say here is that you have to be comfortable with what you're saying in terms of making sure you are getting the right type of the right type of relationship with the dropshipping supplier. One thing I want to say here is that you have to be in a situation where you are constantly telling yourself, what is my target audience asking? Okay, what is my target audience looking for? Because see, you're not going to deliver something that is contradictory to what your target audience is asking about, right? So at the start, you could check if the suppliers match your target audience's country. The geography is really important. If so, you want to take a look at them, because this will enable you to offer fast shipping times for your customers and save on shipping fees, right? Because see, if your sunglasses dropshipping supplier is based in China, and your audience is in Nigeria, or your audience is in Brazil, or your audience is in Guatemala, your audience is in the States. Think about the distance here. Okay, that the product will have to traverse before reaching the final destination. So those are costs you need to be aware of, and you got to think about your budget, because are you willing to spend some money on a paid supplier? Because if not, you'll be able to come across some more options. So think about, are you willing to do this? If yes, what are the conditions? What are your expectations? Now you can consider the e-commerce platform you are using, if a supplier offers a connection for it. Okay, if so, it will save you a lot of time and effort when importing products and processing orders, right? So, do you want to sell on Shopify? Do you want to sell do you want to sell on an e-commerce platform, or do you want to sell on an e-commerce marketplace? Marketplace, we're speaking about Amazon. We're speaking about we're speaking about eBay. We're speaking about Etsy. We're speaking about Newegg. We're speaking about Walmart. We're speaking about Facebook. For e-commerce platform, we're speaking about BigCommerce. We're speaking about Shopify. We're speaking about Wix. We're speaking about a lot of players. So you have to think about that. And one thing I want to say also is that when it comes to picking the right dropshipping supplier for your sunglasses niche, it's really important that you pay attention to the specific features that are crucial for you. See, when we talk about specific features, we're speaking about not only specific features for yourself, but also for your target audience. And of course, what's important for your target audience is automatically important for you. Like if you're trying to close sales, if you're trying to really close sales, you want to make sure that you're giving your customers what they want, right? So ask yourself, what are the features they're looking for? Like what do they want? I'll give you an example. When you take Brands Gateway, it's all about luxury. So if you have, let's say you have a niche and a target audience that really cares about luxury brands, then you want to go with Brands Gateway, right? If you go with something, if you go with the cheap ass products, they're not going to buy from you. What about Pinktown USA? As I told you earlier, Pinktown USA, did you have their own specific sort of glamour, some sort of unique designs? And if you have, let's say you have an audience that's willing to work with you on that, then that's totally fine. But if there is a delta, if there's a gap between what the audience wants and what you are offering, then there will be a problem. So make sure that you're really and those problems, or not problems, but those challenges or bottlenecks, the way you want to call them, you can actually prevent them before they happen. Why? Because you can do customer research, you can do product research, you can do competitive research. Those three things: customer research, product research, and rival research or competitive research, will help you nail down whatever. They will help you zero in on the most important elements you need to care about when it comes to choosing the best dropshipping supplier for your sunglasses. Okay, because you will know exactly what the client wants. You'll know exactly what your competitors are offering. You'll know exactly what the keywords are saying in terms of popularity. So those are things I really want you to pay attention to, so that you don't end up wasting money at all. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I want to quickly do a recap today. Today's conversation, I was just talking to you about the top 8 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers that you might want to consider. And number 1, we have Sinky. Okay, Sinky, our score here is 9.8 over 10. Number 2, we have Brands Gateway, 9.6 over 10. Number 3, we have Big Buy, 9.3 over 10. Number 4, we have CJ Dropshipping, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Absenic, 8.8 over 10. Number 6, we have Pinktown USA, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have Spocket, 8.2 over 10. And number 8, we have My Online Fashion Store, our score, 8 over 10. Thank you so much. I'll speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay Marvelous.